In the US, one car is being stolen every 26 seconds. With criminals getting more and more inventive, it's up to us to foil their plans, and GPS tracking systems are a great way to do just that. Welcome to MGT90 Hidden Magnetic Car GPS Tracker, introduced by DeWayTrack. MGT90 GPS Tracker, a high-spy GPS tracking device, is your best choice now. Never waste time to charge it. MGT90 Tracker has built-in battery up to 14,500 mAh that can stand by for 3 years. Highlights of MGT90 GPS Tracker: no monitoring fees, no monthly contracts, only SIM charges may apply. Order now and get delivered within 1 week. Visit www.dwaytrack.com or find us on WhatsApp at 00861 5983 26996.